All right, so in this section, we're gonna start to really delve into the water systems. We've talked a little bit about rough plumbing up to this point, but we're gonna start to talk about tanks that we're using, sinks that we're gonna use, faucets that we're gonna use. We're not necessarily gonna put it all together in this step because some of that is gonna wait till you have a cabinet to put it into, but we'll talk about what to use.
So there's a couple different water systems that we do use. One is our 5 and 5 system, which is just 2 5-gallon jugs. One is for fresh and one is for gray. That's about as easy as you can get. The secondary system, which is a little bit more complex, is a 20-gallon over-the-wheel well water tank. That requires work with PEX. So PEX is really nice because PEX can freeze. You don't want anything to freeze, but just in case, it's nice to know that you have a little bit of a backup. We're also going to teach you how to build this entire water system outside of a cabinet and then build a cabinet that actually slides over the entire water system. We're going to show you what 12-volt pump we use. Any 12-volt pump will probably do. We'll show you what we prefer, and we will show you how to set up your water system so it can also be easily accessed and drained in the case like where you need to leave your van and you don't want everything to freeze up.
All right, so let's head to the shop, check out some of these water systems, tanks, faucets, sinks, and show you where to go from here.